Hello guys, I didn't know how to start my first video, so I'm just raw dogging it here with no intro or anything. Today I will be upgrading my Thinkpad x220. I bought this beast for $100 through my local marketplace. It has been refurbished, cleaned and repastered. It has no visible damage or signs of heavy usage, and I wanted this model for a while now. I actually looked into every single Thinkpad ever made and determined that x220 is the best one ever made. I love how small, efficient, and rugged it is. Anyways, let's get to it. Firstly, I got a spare battery. I already have an original Lenovo battery, but I got a second one to use a hot swap feature. Swapping the battery is super easy, and it's like a portable power bank now. All you have to do is just push these two latches on the back and swap the thing. I keep them in this anti-static wrapper so they don't short and explode in my backpack. Next, I got this USB to USB-C adapter in this pretty laptop case where everything fits nicely. Another thing is the W key falling off. This was due one of these white legs holding in place missing. This causes the key to get loose. I took the keycap off, and with a flathead screwdriver I try to push one of the white legs out of the steel hook, even bend it a little, so that the whole mechanism jumps out. I then put the new mechanism from backwards and just force it forward, and push down on it until it clicked. The new mechanism was really easy to find online on some EU website. After that, the key worked perfectly. Nextly, I want to replace the RAM. There are two 4GB DDR3 sticks. It is super easy to just unscrew the backplate and immediately change the RAM sticks. I'm putting in two 8GB ones for 16GB of memory total. And finally, it was time to upgrade the internal mSATA SSD. After unscrewing a few screws on the back and pulling the keyboard outwards off myself, it came off, and I just needed to disconnect the connector. Same goes for the palm rest. I had trouble with managing my screws, so I took a small magnet to catch them. The slot usually has a WLAN card, but mine is empty. After carefully disconnecting the antennas and unbending the other cables, I took this Samsung SSD. The screw that is supposed to hold it was probably never used. I had to use fucking pliers to even loosen it. After that, I of course lost a few screws here and there, but the rest of the installation was easy. Just carefully reconnect antennas and bend the cables so they would hold. For the bigger cable that I have to bend so carefully, I should have probably used some kind of tape to hold it down. Now the palm rest connector you need to insert and slide deep and close it. In this attempt I actually failed and had to disassemble the whole laptop off camera and reconnect it again. The keyboard was pretty easy, just push it in and towards myself and screw it all together at the back. After formatting the SSD, I did multiple health checks, and even with the SSD being older it was very slightly used and had 100% health with no corruption and minimal writes. And of course we need to do some gaming benchmarks. For less demanding games like old arcade or flash games it was buttery smooth. For more demanding second games like Geometry Dash, FNAF 1 and 2 or some modern 2D indie games it was pretty good. But for more complex games or 3D games like Halo 1 and 2 I could barely get 60 FPS. Hopefully this video helped you with upgrading your x220 Thinkpad. Thanks for watching.